Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share a method which anybody can do. You can do this from anywhere in the world. You don't need any skills or experience. And I can guarantee you if you watch this video till the end, you'll know exactly how this method works, how to speed up the entire process and how to actually make more money with this method. Because I do this method myself and I'll share with you the results of this. But here's the cool thing. I've not done anything with this in over 3 years and yet I am still earning a passive income. And if you like different ways of making money online, go over to my blog. You'll find, as you can see here, look, it goes all the way back to 2017. I've been trying to, all of these different ways to make money online. It's 100% possible. It just takes a bit of time and effort and learning how to set things up correctly. So let me share with you the earnings first of all, and then I'll walk you through this step by step. So if I come over here, this is inside of the Amazon affiliate program. So you can see here, Amazon in the last 30 days here, in this account here, they've paid me $47, which look, it's not a lot of money, but here's the cool thing, as I mentioned, I've not done anything with this in over 3 years, yet Amazon continually pay me every single month. And look, if I wanted to earn more money with this, I'd just have to spend more time on this method. But this isn't a priority of mine. It's just a nice passive income that I have up and running, and it brings in some money every month. But anyone can do this, and depending on how much time and effort you put into this, that will result in more income. So what is the method? How am I earning this money? Well, if I come over here and I'm going to go on Google, I'm just going to type in lineman boots and tools. I will show you this. So if I scroll down here, let's go into the website, lineman boots and tools. So this here is a website, okay? And you'll notice up here I have got all these options because this here is my website. So basically this is completely geared around this profession over here, which is lineman. Now, do I know anything about this profession? No, I don't have a bloody clue at all. However, what I am doing over on this website over here is I'm creating simple review articles, and I'm also, doing I'm not doing it anymore, a little bit of research, and it's not hard at all. But let me show you how we make money with this. So if you come over here where it says boots, you see these here, like Hoffman line boots, all of these here. People in this profession or their partners or friends or anything, they're on Google or whichever search engine, and they're looking for reviews around, these different products here, these lineman boots. Then what happens here is if they scroll through and click any of these links, sends them over to Amazon. If they purchase that product, I earn an affiliate commission, as we can see down here. So if I come over to, let me click on earnings so you can see this, and we'll scroll down. So look at this one here, 489. I earned $19.60. This was for lineman extreme non-insulated with steel safety toe. Okay, we've got another one here. Look, what is that? Steel climbers for something to do with that profession. And this is how much it costs them. This is how much Amazon have paid me. Now, in terms of this website over here, let me go into the back end so you can see how it looks over there. So this is what it looks like inside of a website. Now look at the dates here. 2018, 2018, 2018, etc., etc. So this website here has had no new content put on here in 3 years. Yet it's still bringing in, as you can see here, a passive income. And here's the cool thing about Amazon. Say somebody landed over here on the website, they read through this and thought, go check out these boots here over on Amazon. They click the link, they go over to Amazon. Whilst they're on Amazon, if they purchase any of a product within 24 hours, we also earn an affiliate commission. So you see this here, so like someone's bought this, and then whilst on there they thought, I'll do a bit of shopping, buy some stuff I probably don't need, but they've bought this here, this Japanese beauty skin, and this is how much it costs them. This is how much Amazon have paid me. Then they bought, what is that? 6-in-1 US. I don't even know. I'm not promoting it. I'm not sharing it. But again, look, Amazon have paid me. And this happens all of the time. So it's an awesome method for making money online. And as you can see, it truly is passive because I've done nothing in 3 years, yet Amazon still pay me. And this is one example. I have a lot of these niche blogs and niche websites around a certain category where they're earning money on autopilot, basically. So how do you do this? Well, I said to you, you can do this for free, and you absolutely can do. So I'll share with you two resources. The first one is this website over here. It's called Wealthy Affiliate. Now, on this website over here, if I scroll down here, look, transform your ideas into profits. Come down here, you can build, and this is free by the way, you can build 2 websites inside of here. And if you scroll down here, look, it's the mobile ready websites, and it's literally just drag and drop. Then once you've built your website, they will show you how to basically create content so that you can get traffic from the search engines, and then you can partner up with Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Shopping. You know, there's many of these different platforms where you can sign up and become an affiliate for, because it's not just Amazon. There's thousands of platforms whereby you can earn an affiliate commission. So it's pretty cool, and as I've mentioned, this is 100% free. So I will drop a link to this down below for you. You can go ahead and check this out. This is what it looks like on the inside of Wealthy Affiliate over here. So over on the left hand side, you can see we have got top 10. You see all of this here, and down the middle, and also on the right hand side, there's a huge community inside of Wealthy Affiliate. There's training, there's keyword research, and lots more. And people share, you can see here, like this here, people are sharing their content inside of here. They're asking for help, they're asking for feedback. And the Wealthy Affiliate community, you know, you can see over here on the right hand side, it's got an update on any comments on any posts, and you can scroll through here and you can just see what is happening inside of the platform. Now, there's another thing I want to share with you. So in terms of this, if we come over here to Lineman Boots and Tools, this is over on Google. Now over on the right hand side, you see this lineman belt. So I can see here in a snapshot, 1,900 people a month are searching for lineman belts. We've got lineman supplies, lineman hooks, etc, etc. Sorry, excuse me. If I come further on the page here, we've got additional things that we can look at. And if I go back up to the top, we've got images. And look, this is the thing. People also ask, so what hand tools do linemen use? R-line, etc, etc. But it doesn't matter. Whatever category or niche you're going into, you can find a lot of information just by going on Google and having a look at, you know, key points and what people ask for, and you can create content for this. And inside of Wealthy Affiliate here, they will show you how to drive traffic and lots more. The final thing I'm going to share with you is inside of the, you know, the back end here. Obviously, you will need to create the content. Now, Wealthy Affiliate over here, they will not create the content for you. You will need to go ahead and, you know, create the content. So I will drop a link to this below for you. You can check this out, and I'll show you how it looks now. You can get 10,000. Look, move my head over here. Look, your friend gave you 10,000 words to try for free. So you can basically come over to this software and try it out completely for free. So let me show you how this software works, because you can use this for creating blog content, you can use it for YouTube, you can use it for so many different things. And you can see on here, look, it will create original content that ranks for search engine optimization, which basically means over on Google. And look, we can generate educational blog articles that are keyword rich and also plagiarism free. Now, I use this for blogs, I use it for my different websites, I use it for YouTube, and literally so many different things. So let me show you how it looks inside of the software over here. Now, if I come down here, look, if I click on blog, you can see we've got lots of different things in here. If I click on SEO, I can go in here and play around with different things. But if I click on blog, I can come up with ideas. I can come up with a blog post outline, blog post into paragraph, a conclusion, and lots more. And look, this works in any category or absolutely any niche. It doesn't matter what you're going into, whether it is something specific like lineman boots and tools, or whether it was something. Let me give you an example. So let me click on new, and we can have a blog post workflow, or we can start from scratch. So let's just go with start from scratch, and I'll show you how this works. So let's say we was writing an article about lineman tools and equipment list. So all I'm going to do here is I'm just leaving that there. Now over on the left hand side here, look, let me cut this. On the left hand side I've got a title. So I'm going to paste that into there, okay? So that would be my title, you know, for a blog article. So leave that like that for now. if I want to put in a brief, I can do. Tone of voice, I'm just going to put this as excited. Keywords, so any keywords we want the article to rank for, so we'll go with lineman tools. I'm going to copy that and I'm paste that into here. And then I can go with the output length, short, medium or longer. So I'll click on longer and I'll click on compose, and I don't touch it, I literally just sit back and then it starts creating the content for us. So it's pretty cool, isn't it? Now, so we've got our title, then we've got a bit of an intro here, then we've got the chainsaw has, and then I'm just going to click on compose and it will start writing a game for me. See? I'm literally not touching this. So I think you can see why this piece of software here, it is awesome, and it can create content for you incredibly quickly. Now you do need to go through, and just double check the spelling, but overall it's awesome. It works really, really well, and all I would do here is I just keep clicking on compose and it would go through and create the article for me. Once the article's done, I then go over to my blog over here, I click on posts, add a new post, and inside of here I give it a title. So my title would be this one over here, and then I would just paste all of this information here. I would add that inside of the post here, and then I would add in my affiliate link and some images. Now all of that stuff is shown and covered for you inside of Wealthy Affiliate. But either way, this method works because people are always on Google searching for things related to whatever category or niche you are going into. But as you can see on here, you do the work once and you could be earning a passive income in this example, today's example, 3 years down the line from work you have done today. It's not hard, it's not difficult, just takes time, effort and consistency. So look, all of the links are down below for you. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.